welcome to Afrobyte. Today, we have a special tutorial for all you future KMTC students. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading your admission letters from the KMTC portal. If you've been accepted and want to access your admission letter hassle-free, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. To begin, visit the KMTC admission portal website. You can find the link in the video description below. Once you're there, log in using your primary email address, the same one you used in the KUCCPS portal. Now, here's the important part, your password. Your password should be your KCSE index number, starting with the year of examination. For example, if your index number is 123445001, your password would be 20221234450001. That's if you did your KCSE exam in 2022.
Once you've entered your email and password, click Log In. You're now logged into the portal. Navigate to the section where you can access your admission letter, and you'll see an option to download it. Simply click on the download button, and your admission letter will be ready for printing. Remember, it's crucial to enter your email and password accurately. If you encounter any issues or have questions along the way, don't worry, we're here to help. So, just to recap, visit the KMTC admission portal, use your primary email, and set your password as your KCSE index number with the year of examination. Download your admission letter, and you're all set to start your journey at KMTC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, we're here to assist you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this tutorial has been informative and has made the admission process smoother for you. Best of luck with your studies at KMTC, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Don't forget to check out our other helpful videos on various topics related to technology and education.